Hello friends, in this video we will solve the RSSA exam question, and this question is the last question which will be asked in the system. And this is a very easy question, so you will get 15 to 10 marks easily. So without wasting your time, let's start this video. The question is saying that change the tune profile to the appropriate profile as mentioned in the recommended. So the meaning is we need to change our tune profile which is recommended in the command. So for that we need to use the yum. With the help of the yum command, we need to use the packages of the tune. So for that we use the yum install -y for without set yes or no and tune. The starting enter all the related package to the tune is now installed here. Then there is a command is tune, T-U-N-E-D, tuned Adam recommended. Recommended. Here the recommended profile is a virtual guest. Whichever here is the present, you need to set this tune profile. So I am just copy this virtual guest. Then you need to set this tune profile. For that you use tune Adam profile, and just paste this virtual guest. Okay, tune started, change applied. That means your tune profile is also changed. You need to active this tune profile. For that use tune Adam active. After that current active profile is a virtual gate. That means your question is solved here and you will get 10 to 15 marks. Before that you need to also restart your tune service. For that you use system ctl enable tune. Okay, then also you can restart your tune service. And you can also again activate this tune service. Here your profile is the virtual guest, tune profile is the virtual guest. Now your question paper is 100% solved and you will get 10 to 15 marks. So this is the last question which will be asked in the RSCS exam, and our one question is left which is based on the container. We will solve as soon as possible. This is because this question is hard and we need to install all the setups related with the container. So I will give just 1 to 2 days for this question, and in future we will solve this question. All the question which is related to the RSCS exam is solved here. So friends, if you practice these questions again and again, then you will get 300 out mark. And if you left the container question, and then you will get 273 marks in the RSCS exam. Because container exam question will be asked in the 25 marks, 20 to 25 marks. And this is the hard question. And if you left this question, then you will get 273 marks. And friends, practice again and again this question in your virtual machine, because I have explaining everything which will be asking in the RSCS exam. The question paper format is same, only slightly changes, like in the logical volume there is a 512, instead of the 512 he will give 800, and there is nothing to change in the format. So you can just see my videos and again practicing in virtual guest, you will definitely pass with out marks. So thank you friends, this session is aimed here, and if you like this video then subscribe my channel and wait for the next video. Thank you.